Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the object in a Kotlin. What is object, how to use object in a Kotlin in application, and what is difference in a Java and Kotlin for use of object. So let's start. Here, let's talk about first singleton. So what is singleton? If we have declared our class as a singleton, then we cannot create the multiple instance of that class. We can use only one instance of that class which is already created by default at a runtime. So suppose if you want to create the class which is instance should not be created and one instance should be used, then we can use as a singleton. And for this concept in Java, we have used the static keyword uh, before the member functions and variable. Same concept if you want to use in a Kotlin, then we can use using the object keyword. So let's start by doing one small example. So first I'm going to implement one class examples, which is normal class, not as an object. So if we want to create the class, give name as a class keyword, then class name. Here I'm creating person and one variable and one member function. So here displaying first person name, which is data type string, and let's give some initial value. And I'm one more creating member function. For member function we can use func keyword, then function name, detail, and I'm printing one line. We can write down body here, whatever we want to perform. So I'm writing one simple line from India, and this is the normal class. If you want to access this variable and member function, then we have to create this class instance in main functions or anywhere where we want to use. We can create the many instance this class because this is a normal class. So let's do implementation one main class here, arg type it string. We can define main class using main function in Kotlin. In Java, we have used class main. So if I want to access this person's value like name and detail, then I have to create first the instance of that class. Here I'm writing person1 is equal to name of the class and parenthesis. Now we can access the each value of that class, and also we can create the multiple instance like 2 3. We can create many instance of the normal class. And if I want to access suppose name, let's print the name of normal class, then person1 dot name. I can print the person2 name, person3, person1 dot detail. We can access the all value using this instance of that class, and we can create the many instance of normal class. Let's run this. It's not showing here output. This is the name which we accessed from using the name variable person.name and person.detail. Now let's implement the object. So this is just simple. The class keyword, instead of that we can use object keyword. So now this act as a singleton. Person class, here it's showing red error because it is not allowed to create instance of object. If we want to access these values, then we cannot create the instance, but we can access using the class name. This is the name of that class which we have created, and here also we can directly use that name and we can access that value. We will see the same output as before, Gayatri and from India. This is how we can access the object. And suppose it also works as a normal class, like we can extend another class into this class and we can access that property using this class name. So thank you guys for watching me. Please subscribe my channel and see you in my next video. Thank